Hey guys, this is Twinkle and I'm going to share a super cute easy hairstyle in just 2 minutes. You'll practice and later on you can perform it within seconds. Yes, it's very easy, very simple. In just seconds you can do it. So yeah, let's start. First thing, you'll be needing a comb, of course, and TikTok pins if you prefer bobby pins, TikTok pins. I prefer these kinds of small clips. These are very comfortable basically. So first of all, part your hair to the side which you usually do. I am parting to the right side, and take a small section of hair. Remove all the tangles, that is very important, and start making regular braid. Now take a small strand from the front side and add it to the braid. Do it only from the front side. You have to repeat this again. Add more hairs. Make sure in between also you remove all the tangles for smoother finish. Now I keep it up till my ears. You can continue also, or you can do less number of braids also. I'm just securing it with the clip, and one side is done. The same process I'll repeat here also. Remove all the tangles. Again the same process. Take a small section of hair, remove all the tangles, and start doing braid. Completed this side also. I love how it looks on my face. I personally do this hairstyle very frequently. If I'm in a hurry, whether I am wearing Indian outfit or a western outfit, I just do this and I'm done with the hair. That's all for this video. I hope you really like the hairstyle. If yes, then please like the video and subscribe to my channel for more these kind of videos. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.